Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to merge multiple PDFs into one. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to merge multiple PDFs into one, then all you can do is simply go to different kind of online platforms like Adobe Acrobat Online, Smallpdf, or iLovePDF. Now to merge PDFs, you need to simply tap on merge PDF. Now you need to select the PDF files and simply upload your files, dragging to reorder them and clicking on the merge or use dedicated combine file tools in Adobe Acrobat desktop software for more options. Both methods allow adding PDFs, images, and other file types, arranging them and saving the result as a single PDF. So if you're going to use the free tools or use the pro version of Adobe Acrobat software, then you can simply merge multiple PDFs into one. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.